Hello guys, and welcome back to you guys of the faces. Today I'm gonna do Marvel Contest of Champion video. In this Marvel Contest of Champion video, I'm gonna do new update. That you see, we got the new update for Marvel Contest of Champion. We got really nice wallpaper right here. We got Groot, got Lady Thor, we got Venom, we got Tan, all new champion. All of these are include comes was I think as becomes out all of this except for Groot. Yeah, Groot didn't comes out yet. I don't know when. Maybe next week or maybe next year, next month. Yeah. Just waiting. You see, waiting because internet was not too slow, not too fast. Okay, now this is the new update. Let's see, we got new background right over there. We got really nice background on there. Let's see, and also the new update. I think there is no new update. See, nothing on this new wallpaper, new background only, and also we have a new picture of the champion. Let's see. Yeah, just wait. We got the new picture of champion, that is mutant champion, that is Storm. Let's see, we got a new picture of Storm. It's really cool, really nice picture of Storm. It just kind of like I have the new Storm. Yeah, like a new Storm we have. See, and also this for the inventory, this is kind of disappointed. Let's see, but before I go to the disappointed thing, let's go to the Sea Catalyst fragment are here. See, Sea Catalyst fragment is like this. Yep, like you see, if you collect all of the fragment in the amount that showed, you will get a free one catalyst. So that will be awesome actually. Let's just read. Yeah, like you see, catalyst fragment will be introduced to the contest when completing the request. You will be awarded with catalyst fragment from chassis state of ISO 8. Of course, if a catalyst is not won, second catalyst will also fragment award fragment for catalyst of the next year in addition to gold. See, this catalyst fragment seem like a shot. See, going to the disappointed thing. This disappointed thing is the limit for the health potion is only 25. What the hell is going on with Kabam? 25 only. I can't imagine it. Like you see, I got 6 health potion in my stash and it's 13 days. You have to clear. I think I have to sell all my health potion. What the hell? I think should be limit like 1000 or 100. How do we want to fight in Reign of Legend actually? How do we want to win in Reign of Legend? That's kinda disappointed, Kabam. Really disappointed. The limit is only 25. What the hell? Yeah, really disappointed. Really disappointed actually. Really disappointed. And I have this. I kinda use so I can use up. And also nothing new. Actually, the new crystal in here is yeah, the new crystal is Defender crystal. This is the old crystal. Actually, I am not opening that one, but I'm saving for the shark crystals so I can open up 10 and do video about 10 female shark crystal. Yeah, I kinda excited right now because open up 10. You gotta be kidding me. Like wow, this first time I open up the crystal that have guaranteed to start champion. Wow, 10. Yeah, I kinda excited, but I have 4 only to open up, but I will collect 10 actually, or maybe if I can get 10, I will open up 5. Yeah. So yeah, this is about the new update. Nothing too much, but yeah, I'm telling you, Kabam, please change the limit like a 1000 or maybe 500 the limit, because it is really disappointed. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, I just remember I opened up the figure store. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel, comment, share to see more Marvel Contest Objective video, internet video, maybe new crystal or maybe 10 premium shark crystal. And the arena for this week is Iron Fist. I am not playing that because I have Twister Iron Fist. And good.